Hello, this is Biotech. We are specialized in biometric security devices for more than 8 years, such as door lock, access control, time attendance. Now let me introduce how to use our fingerprint door lock LE211. Let's see, this is the front and this is the back. Let me show you how to go to the menu. Open the screen. Press the center button here. And go to the main menu. How to register the manager. User manager. And enter register. Master. Let's put the ID. Let's see, 00, such as, OK. Now put the name. For example, A. OK. Let's start. Register your finger. Press your finger first time. Press second time, and now it shows success. Okay, let's save. You can register 3 fingers. Let's go to the front. Let me show you how to set normal open and normal close. When you are out of home, you should set normal close. Then see this picture, it stands for close. So the door is closed now, and when you wanna open, it's useless. Okay? If you are at home, you wanna change the status, let's put your finger and press this button and press your manager finger here. Then you see the picture, it shows normal open. Normal open. So when you are at home, you don't want to press your finger, and if it shows normal open, you can open the door without press finger. You see? But when the guests come to visit, how to register their fingers? Let's see. Go to the main menu and press your finger, that's master finger. and register. Choose the guest and put their ID. For example, 11. OK. And put the name, such as B, and press OK. And then register. And then register their fingers.